Seller.Tools is really good. It's got the most in-depth listing quality score tool that exists right now. I think most of the listing quality scores, they check on like 14 or 15 different like measurements and metrics. We do like over 40. The guy, Troy Johnson and Brendan Morris helped build that tool. It is incredibly robust. So anybody that really wants to take their listing to the next level and be like perfectionist and optimize it. I mean, it goes into like A+ content and what type of reviews are your top reviews. It goes very in depth. I don't even have time to talk about all of the 40, but they're not just some random 40. They've been really well thought out, the metrics that are on there. And then another thing that Seller.Tools has done, which is incredibly cool, is, and I'm not sure if everybody's aware, but Amazon in beta for a while has had the product opportunity explorer, which gives you actual real Amazon data, not guessed or estimated data like some other tools are using. It's an extension that's built on the back of Amazon's product opportunity explorer. So you're using real information for product research. And inside of that, Seller.Tools has built this very like robust analytical system that will give you like key insights like, hey, this niche is very saturated, or this niche is very top heavy. You know, even though there's 15 sellers, 95% of the sales go to the top two. Some really key insights that you could figure out before, but it took a lot more research. Now it can tell you very quickly, hey, stay away from this niche, stay away from this product, stay away from this keyword, or attack this niche. This is very good. Attack this keyword. So lots of valuable data, and it's unique because it's using actual Amazon data, not guessed. And a couple of people have like put out on LinkedIn and other places comparisons between some of the top known product research tools and the actual Amazon data. And it's quite different. It's quite different. And that's not those to speak poorly about those tools whatsoever. For the longest time, those tools were the best tools we had. And they were doing, you know, they're trying to make it as good and as best as they can. But, you know, Amazon didn't give the data. What are you going to do? Now we have the real data.
So Seller.Tools, man, I had Troy. By the way, if Troy is listening, a big thanks to him for connecting us, Troy Johnston. And we've created a few videos on the channel about ManyChat and how to use Seller.Tools for that and for the extension as well. Actually, I'll link them down in the description, the videos that we did with Troy, in case people want to see more information about Seller.Tools, because we've explained how to use the extension on the listing, and we actually showed like how to check your indexing, the listing quality score, and that was like, I believe like 6 or 8 months ago. So the tool is evolving and there's much more stuff. Maybe you can kind of search on YouTube for newer videos. That's also cool. But yeah, Seller.Tools, strong solution, man.